Welcome to Giggle Gurukul. Today Mira counts 1 to 5 at the beach. Mira is at the beach today. Oh, look, how many stars do you see? One shiny star on the sand. Can you say 1? Brilliant. You counted 1 star. Anu found something pretty near the waves. Can you count these flowers with Anu? 1, 2. 2 flowers. Did you count them? Amazing! 2 flowers, just like that.
Golu loves playing with balls at the beach.
Ooh, how many balls can you spot?
1, 2, 3.
3 balls. Can you say 3?
Woo-hoo! Golu says you are a star counter.
Pinku brought colorful balloons to the beach. Count the balloons floating in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. Great job. You are so clever. 4 balloons counted.
Look up at the beautiful beach sky. How many kites do you see flying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kites. Can you count 5? Fantastic counting. 5 kites in the sky.
Golu sees splashing in the shallow water. 2 fish are swimming near the shore. Wow, 3 more fish swim over to join. 2 fish plus 3 fish equals 5 fish. Can you say 5? Incredible! You just added fish at the beach.
Quiz time. Can you count with Anu? Look carefully. How many stars do you see? Think, is it 3 stars? Can you count them out loud? Yes, 3 stars. You are so smart.
Quiz time again. Are you ready, superstar? Pinku has balloons. Can you count them all? How many balloons? Say it loud. Is it 4? 4 balloons. You counted perfectly. Well done.
Last quiz. This one is tricky. Are you ready? 1 kite is flying. Can you see it? Oh, wow. 4 more kites fly in. How many now? 1 kite plus 4 kites. Think hard. Is it 5? 5 kites. You are a champion beach counter. We counted 1 to 5 with Mira. Now teach your family beach counting. Bye-bye, superstar.